we're going to go over how to draw the Hulk. It's going to be simple, easy, and very much for beginners. So let's go through this step by step, all right? I want you to follow along with me, or you can kind of watch the video. It's fun to just watch as well, okay? So let's get started. I'm going to go right here, and it's going to be like the full body, okay? So I'm going to go right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to like kind of go into the face right here and just draw the nose right there. Very simple nose. I'm going to pull down over here, up, for kind of the eyebrow area. Thicken out that eyebrow, right? And I'm going to fill it in. Very simple. I'm going to go over to the other side. Line up. Thicken out that eyebrow. Up over here. Curve down. Line underneath for the eye. We'll go on this side. Down over here for the far side eye. Line over here. Line over here. Out, in, for kind of that, you know, underneath the brow right there, and the cheek. Line in. Down over here for the edge of the chin. And then back over here for the jaw area. Gonna go right here. Line across. It's gonna have kind of like a pretty serious look on his face. Line underneath. Okay? Good so far, right? Cool, cool. Then you can throw right here like a line for, like a line right there for underneath the nostril. Forehead. Gonna go right here. Side of the eyebrow. Circle. Line, line. Line out. Kind of zigzag over here for the hair. I'm going to fill in that block of hair right there, okay? Just going to fill it in. Steadily. If you have a pencil, you can also fill it in pretty easily, but yeah, it's good stuff. Like so. Line out for the back of the neck. Line here for the shoulder. Line here for the shoulder. Curve. Kind of the top of the shoulder there. Line right here for the bicep area. Line right here for the what do you call it? The forearm. And then you're gonna have his fist right here, up there. Curve in. Up, out, cross over here for all the row of fists there, the row of fingers, down, line over here, curve, elbow, line over here, line, line, down, right here, center of the chest, curve underneath up for that chest area. Curve over here for the chest area on this side. Go over here now. Curve for the bicep. Bicep's gonna fold over here. Line over here for the other hand. Line's gonna come up here. Out. Cross. Outside arm. Down. Pull in. Curve over here for the chest. Curve over here. I'm sorry, for the rib cage. Forgive me, for the rib cage. Can have his knee over here. Knee right there. Down. Out over here for the leg. I'm going back here. Down. Line over here. Curve over here. Down. Down for the foot, line across for the toes, down over here, foot over here, curve, line over here, curve line here for the bottom of the toe area, and I'm going to split up the toes right here with just simple curved lines. Line in for the bottom, curve, down over here, line, down, downward over here, curve underneath, line over here, line, down here for the foot, downward, see the back foot right there? Throw a couple lines right there to split it up. So let's go back over here in the stomach area, curve here for the rib cage, line in the middle for like abs, right? Or the top part of abs showing. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, curve, curve. This is serratus muscles. By the way, don't forget, if you want to actually like learn how to draw everything and anything from the bottom up, like if you have like shaky hands, you have issues with that, go to sketchingeasy.com. There's a beginner lesson right there at the top of the page, okay? Completely free, totally free, no nothing, no sign up, just go check it out, easy. I put that there as a utility for people to kind of help themselves to start drawing. Curve over here. Let's go over here, the hand itself. So the clench fist down, curve, line, line, line. Thumb over here. Right here as well. Line, 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 splitting up those hands. Line over here. Curve, line in, line over here, line over here, curve underneath for the bicep on that side. Alrighty. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a little bit of pass of, I would say a little bit of color. So let's jump into the color just really quick. I'm going to be using, you can use whatever you want. You can use colored pencil. I'm going to use a marker for the sake of speed, right? Just to kind of get it down here. This is a demonstration. So I'm going to give him purple pants. Oh, this is pretty light purple. I think something darker over here. Maybe this darker purple I think would be better for him. These are Copic markers, by the way. If you like using markers, go check them out on Amazon. I'll put the link there in the description. Copic markers are pretty good. This is pretty dark, honestly. I don't know if I would normally pick this dark of a purple. Looks pretty near black, but that's why I'm gonna leave a little line right there. But it's pretty good, I would say, overall. Like I said, it'll probably dry out a little lighter. They tend to dry a little lighter, so hopefully this is the case, because this is a really dark purple, honestly. So you're watching experimentation going on right now. Then I'm gonna go over here to the green. Pretty light green, honestly. I'm not, again, same thing. I'm gonna try to keep it. There we go. See that kind of green? I like that green. I think that green works really well. And essentially, you're coloring your own coloring book at this point. Right, and be careful. Make sure the black ink is dry before you try this, if you're going to use marker. Right, and I'm more or less just kind of going in flat, nothing too fancy, just kind of going in flat. Filling it in there. Make sure you have a fan on too, because a lot of these markers smell really bad, and the smell is actually very not good for your brain, supposedly. So absolutely use this in a ventilated area. It's fine if you just have like a fan running. If you're indoors, have a fan running, do it next to a window. Don't worry about it. Don't, just kind of be aware of that. Just be aware of that, and it should be fine. You'll kind of make the adjustments. But like I said, it's fun to just to kind of color the stuff that you create. There's something really rewarding about that, so I kind of like that as well. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like and subscribe. Definitely like the video if you like it, but also hit the subscribe and click the bell notifications to let you know when I post. Trying to kind of adjust the channel a bit. I'm posting 3 times a day still, but I'm also trying to really adjust a couple of things on here. That's it. I want to thank you very much. You're amazing. Say hi to me in the comments, and I'll talk to you next time, okay? See ya.